Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's Dima, the coordinator for Alkhidmat Foundation in Pakistan. We are continue our helping for the people here in this holy month. Today, inshallah, we are going to make distribution for the hot meals. We can say the iftar here in Ramadan is so important for everyone. With the borders closed and people still suffering and there is a big of starvation here, we are doing our best with our team to help every day. Now, inshallah, we are going to visit these destructions houses and where the people is still living in the middle area in Gaza Strip.